Hi guys, how are you all? I think everyone is well. Today I'm going to show you ML project. We are going to train model on MPG dataset. The target variable is the MPG miles per gallon. You can add this project to your portfolio to show your clients or companies. And if you have not much time to watch until end, then use 2xspeed. Let's start this video. Now I am in the VS Code. Let make the folder for project. Now I make the folder and subfolder for the project. Now let make the file. Now let write the first line of notebook. Now let import the libraries and let select the kernel. Now I import the all libraries. So let run the cell. Okay, the libraries are loaded. Let load the data set for the machine learning task. Now the data set is loading and okay, it loaded. Now let save the data in CSV. So let's save data. I am saving the data in data set. Okay, data set is saved. Now this time we are exploring the data. So let explore the data. Now I run the cell. Let's see. Okay, it's showing six values is missing in horsepower. We are going to importing missing values with KNN Imputer. Okay, I paste my code here. Okay, I imputed the missing values. Now this time, let us select features and target variables. Now I selected the X and Y, I mean features and target variables. So let run this cell. Now I pre-processing the columns with pipeline. Now this time I define the models function for model selection. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Now let train and evaluate the models. So let do this. Let compare the models which giving best performance. Let's see. Let's see the all metrics. Okay, the random first is giving less MAE and MSE and RMSE and R, so R score it giving best R score. Okay, the random first algorithm is best. Now let compare with the visualization. Okay, it is showing the random first algorithm is best. Now let's see the mean absolute error. Okay, the mean absolute error of the random first is low. Now let's save the model. I paste my code here. So let run this cell. Okay, the model is save, but it save in the wrong path. So we need to save model in the models folders. So let save model in a models folder. Let's see. It giving me the error and not saving the folder in the path where I want to save. Now I save the model in models file. Okay. Now let load and predict the numeric values. Okay, I paste my code here. Let's see. It not predicting the value, it giving me the error. Uh, we will meet after solving this error. Okay. Now this time I solve the error and it predicting the values with sample data also. Now this time I also making the README file with AI agentic workflow. I mean Copilot with Copilot. Let's see how it make this. Okay, it make the README file. It see my notebook, and then it make the readme file. It get information from my notebook. On the in base of information it make this. So this is our today video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. We will meet again. Bye bye.